Today I am going to share a method where you can make $300 per week. Yes, you heard it right. You can make $300 per week if you do the same method with same strategy. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for supporting and thanks for giving your response for this YouTube channel, and I'm overwhelmed for this response. So today I'm going to share a method where you can make a $300. So let's get into this video. So you just basically come to like maps, and you can start searching like dental hospital in Ontario is basically a town in Canada, where you can also search any town, any city in United States, like United States, Australia, Canada. So basically the big countries where you can make hundreds of dollars from your home. So I have searched for dental hospital in Ontario, and I have came across through various firm, and I have also clicked their website, and I can see the website is not secure. So as you can see, your connection to this website is not secure. You should not enter any sensitive information to this website. So basically you have to provide them SSL for their website, and they're gonna pay you 50 to $100. It's depend totally on your, and tell them that I am charging 50 to $100 for providing SSL certificate for your websites. As you can see, I have came across various websites. See, they don't have SSL certificate for their firm, and you can go and basically you can email them the idea, email them the content where I am going to share the content for you, and you just have to mail them, and you can keep mailing them, and if they like your approach, if they see your mail, they will surely get back to you, and they will provide the opportunity to where you can make a 50 to $100. So just go to maps, and you can start searching anything. Like I have searched dental hospital in Ontario. You can search like plumber gym, or anything else for various countries like United States, like Canada, etc., and you have to go them, and you can start collecting mail from their website. Like you can see the I have collected the mail ID, and I have start adding in my Google Sheets. I have added a two mail ID, and I will add 10, 20, 30 more mail IDs, and I am going to mail them that I can add a SSL certificate for your website, where I will charge 50 or 75 or $100. It depends on you that how much you charge for your client. It's so easy, so basic, that you can start working by now. You can go and type any firm that you can relate to. So, and you can start collecting mail ID there from their website, and you can start adding the mail in Google Sheets, and you can start sending the mail to the your client. So basically the content is, hi, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Smart Money Space, and I came across your amazing looking website and noticed that it was not secured. Did you know that your site was not secured, and what's the consequence of a site that doesn't have the right SSL certificate? The first issue you have is that Google wants people that your site is not secured and not disclosed in any info, including personal info, which can affect your business directly with payment. The second thing is Google won't push your site up ranking above without the right certificate. Like you can highlight this content that Google doesn't rank their website, so that you have to add SSL certificate into your website, so that your website start ranking, and you can get more clients. You can also tell them that if you add SSL certificate to your website, you can get more $1,000. You can get more $2,000 of clients, and you can start making more money. By this way, you can start approaching them. If they like your content, if you like their approach, they will surely get back to you and give the opportunity to where you can just add this certificate to their website, and you can make a 50 to $100. If you don't know how to add SSL certificate, you can just go to YouTube, and you can start searching how to add SSL, and you can get a better videos where you can learn. Also, you can go to Fiverr, where you can get a n number of people who are adding the SSL certificate for the websites. As you can see, here 50 has completed 15 thing, and he has just fixed his price as a $10, and you have done a sale of $150, where you can just go and you can start approaching them, and you can have a business with them, and you can start making money. And you can also send them. You can also send the email to your customer by repeating email by repeating by repeat sending emails for 1 to 2 days, and 3 days for 4 days, and 5 days. By this method, you can get your clients attention, and you can start making money. So I hope you have understood this content. You can go now, and you can start search, and you can send the email to your customer, and you can start making money. And also, if you have any issues while writing your content, you can also use Grammarly. I will be dropping the link in my bio. Just go and sign up and start using this content. I will be sharing this content in my description box if I get 100 likes or 50 likes to this video. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understand. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.